In pursuit of a refreshing, healthy drink to support your weight loss journey, this Purple Fizzy Juice recipe is a delightful, low-calorie option. We will explore how to make Purple Fizzy Juice recipe for weight loss. Ingredients: blueberries, 1 cup; blackberries, 1 cup; purple grapes, 1 medium; sparkling water, 2 cups; honey or stevia taste. Optional: ice cubes, AIOI style. Instructions: prepare the fruits, rinse the blueberries, blackberries, and purple grapes thoroughly under cold water. Pat them dry with a paper towel. Blending: in a blender, combine the berries and fresh lemon juice. Blend them until a smooth, consistent texture is achieved. If you prefer a thinner juice, you can strain the mixture to eliminate the pulp. Sweetening: optional, taste the blended juice. If desired, add a natural sweetener like stevia or honey sparingly to suit your preference. Remember, the natural sweetness of the berries may suffice without any additional sweeteners. Mixing with sparkling water. In a pitcher, pour the blended berry mixture and gently stir in the sparkling water. This will create a delightful fizz in the juice. Serve and enjoy. Pour the Purple Fizzy Juice into glasses filled with ice for a refreshing experience. Benefits of Purple Fizzy Juice. Weight loss aid. The ingredients in this Purple Fizzy Juice are rich in antioxidants, which can support your weight loss journey by boosting metabolism and aiding in the elimination of toxins. Nutrient powerhouse. Blueberries, grapes, beets, and cucumber are all packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, promoting overall health and well-being. Hydration and refreshment. The addition of sparkling water not only introduces a fun, fizzy element, but also ensures adequate hydration, crucial for weight loss and maintaining good health. While this fizzy purple juice is an excellent addition to your weight loss regimen, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and regular exercise routine for effective and sustainable results. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.